Hello, I'm Laura Dixon, and as principal, I'm thrilled to welcome you to Athens High School's Open House. On September 16th, we will hold our first virtual open house. All information on how to access your son or daughter's teachers via Zoom was sent out with the open house program. If you have questions, let us know. This is new to many of us, and I appreciate your flexibility and understanding as we navigate these unprecedented times together. To make the evening a success, we hope that students who are already comfortable using Schoology class links assist their parents during the 6:30 to 8 p.m. class schedule. Any parent not able to attend open house can always connect with individual teachers and may schedule a time during our daily student support session. The goal of the evening is for parents and teachers to connect with each other. We want you to know the great things that your son or daughter will learn in each class this year. We also want you to know what we prioritize at Athens and what you can expect from us. I'm very proud of our school, our students, staff, and parents. We are a caring community that prioritizes each other and cherishes childhood. At Athens, our mission is to ensure learning today, inspire learning tomorrow. Our goal is to make certain students are good communicators and critical thinkers so that they have the foundation they need to be successful, in whatever way they determine success to be. We believe academic achievement is important. We also believe that one's character and well-being are equally important. Know that we are committed to you and all of our Red Hawks. We will purposely work to meet everyone's needs of safety, dignity, and belonging, and by doing so, authentic learning and proper risk-taking can occur. We will seek every avenue to have you and students be heard and known. We want to hear what you think, and for you to find joy and friendship and community. We will forward equity and opportunity, and we will inspire students to take risks and accomplish more than they even realize they can. We will be kind, open, flexible, and supportive. These are our commitments to you. It is what you deserve and what makes us world-class. Thank you as well for starting the year virtually and embracing new learning. We hope to be in seat at Athens very soon. Until then, please connect anytime via phone, email, or Zoom. In closing, thank you for entrusting your children to us and for being a Red Hawk. It will be a great year.